Hi, families. So, we've heard from some people that they're having a hard time getting the videos to us. And I know it is quite a process. What you might be finding out is that the files are too big to send just by email. Okay. So, there are other ways that we can share files with each other by using the cloud. Okay. By putting things in the cloud and getting them that way. Keep in mind that I am here every day. So if you're ever picking up your child, I can help you, or Mr. Bauer can help you with this after school if that helps at all. Otherwise, I have made this video to help those of you that do not have Gmail accounts, because to use the Drive feature, you need to have a Gmail email address. I know not everybody does, but your child does. So I'm going to take you through these steps today so you can upload to the Drive, upload to the cloud, and share your child's video that way. So if you have an Android device, the first thing you're going to do is go to the Google Play Store and download the app called Google Drive. Okay. And once you've opened that app, you can sign in. If you don't have a Gmail address, that's okay. Your child does. And in fact, this is my child's Gmail address. So it's the first letter, middle initial, last name at madison.k12.wi.us. So you can enter that to sign into Gmail. And you'll come up with this screen that says your Google account is managed by the school. If you accept that, you'll come up to this class link page. This is something that your child knows very well. They know how to log into this. It's probably on a little sticky note at the corner of the Chromebook as well. The username is a 6-digit number, and then the password for my daughter's password is initials and then a 3-digit number. So once you sign in using their credentials, you'll get into something that looks like this. If you go to Files and then click on the plus sign, you can have the option to upload something that says upload behind there. That's the button that you'll look for. Once you do that, you'll come to here. You select the video that you want to put in there, and then click select, and that will upload it to the Drive. That's uploading it to the cloud. So then it lives on the web. Once you see it in the Drive, you're going to look for these three buttons, these three dots right here. These three dots, when you click on them, you have some options there. You can rename it, your child's name, and then you can click on share. And when you click on share, you can type my email address into there. Here's the video, and click that arrow, and that will send it to me. And that's all you need to do. So if that helps, if you don't have a Gmail address, you can use your kid's Gmail address.